Are you getting a not enough storage error on Google Play Store even though you still have space? In this video, I will show you how to fix Play Store storage problems step by step on your Android phone quickly and easily. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store app, Google Play, like this. Then you will find this sign of you, so you will click on you. On above you will find here this sign of profile, so we tap on your profile. After that, here in this list you will find this window of manage apps and devices, and device here. And then as you see, you will find your storage on Play Store, so you will go to Play Store. And here in this page you will find all apps that have a lot of storage or space on your app, on your phone. So you can choose here, select for size like this. These apps are having a large size on your phone, so you can delete them to free up space. And also you have to go to settings. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Play Google Store, Play Store like this. After that, in this window you will have storage, so you will click on storage. Then in this window you will click on clear cache. So when you click on clear cache, here you can know how to free up space from Google Play or Play Store in easy way. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.